Hi, I'm Bill with the Operations Department here at South Milwaukee School District. Our department has updated some of our cleaning and disinfecting approaches to our new normal response to the current pandemic. The goal of our department is to provide a clean and safe and healthy environment for all students and staff returning to the building. Our approach to cleaning during this new normal has been developed by using some guidance from major governmental agencies, of which include the CDC, the EPA, and the DPI. Our plan has 5 points in conjunction with the CDC guidelines for cleaning the classrooms. Point number 1, create a plan for cleaning and disinfecting. Point number 2, ensure that all cleaning staff is properly trained. Point number 3, maintain healthy environments. Point number 4, communicate the cleaning and disinfecting plan. And point number 5, provide safe working environments for all staff members and students. Our approach to this new normal is a two-step process. Step 1 is cleaning. Research shows that cleaning not only removes dirt and debris, but helps prepare surfaces for disinfecting. Our cleaners use a P&G product number 32. You can imagine 32 from Procter & Gamble as a Mr. Clean on steroids. The CDC recommends cleaning properly to help ensure that disinfecting is working as it should. Step 2 is disinfecting. All of our disinfectants are EPA approved, and our first line of disinfectant is Procter & Gamble number 33, which we will use for a normal everyday disinfecting. Our second disinfectant is Brew Tabs, which is the only EPA-approved alternative to bleach. Our choice to use the electrostatic sprayer versus wiping on our hard surfaces throughout the district is to ensure that all touch points are treated properly, to ensure that the disinfectant remains wet and dwells on the surface for a proper kill claim per the disinfectant. The other added benefit of the sprayer is that the charged droplets are attracted to neutrally charged environment, which will ensure that all surfaces are getting treated, not just the top of the surfaces. In conclusion, be assured that when students return to the classroom, we will be ready. Cleaners are equipped with the proper cleaning products and training to maintain a safe, clean, and healthy learning and working environment for everyone in the School District of South Milwaukee. Cleaning and disinfecting will occur in all buildings, in the evenings, Monday through Friday. This includes all rooms, offices, bathrooms, entryways. Wherever there's a place to be cleaned, we will clean that area. On the 612 campus, cleaning and disinfecting will occur 7 days a week, depending on activities in the building. In addition to our evening cleaning, extra staff will be added to each building to help ensure that we are cleaning and disinfecting every area on a nightly basis. Extra staff will also be added to the high school and middle school during the day to help with trash removal and disinfecting touch points that probably can't wait till our evening staff arrives. Next, I'd like to introduce you to the team that's going to walk you through our new normal cleaning process at the School District of South Milwaukee.
Hi, I'm Destiny Echoes, custodian at the high school.
Hi, I am Yadi. I am a custodian from the middle school.
Hi, I'm June Serbrook. I'm the head custodian at Luther Elementary.
Hello, my name is Jason Schick, and I'm the head custodian at South Milwaukee Middle School.
Hi, I'm Michelle Enoch from the South Milwaukee High School, and I am the lead custodian.
Hi, I'm Carol Dufek, and I am the operations supervisor for the School District of South Milwaukee.
Hi, I'm Bill King, manager of Buildings and Grounds for the School District of South Milwaukee.
Hi, I'm Carol, and I'm going to show you what we put on our cart for all of our building service helpers. So every cart that our cleaners use in the buildings is equipped with the same cleaning products. The cleaning products that we use with our school district are our number 32, our neutral cleaner. Our cleaners have this in a spray bottle with a rag. We also can put it into a bucket if they prefer to use the bucket and rag method to clean our classrooms. The other items that we have on our cart is our True Shot, which is our bathroom restroom cleaner. We use this in our restrooms to clean all of our faucets, our sinks, and all of the fixtures in the restrooms. The other items that we have on our cart is our bowl cleaner, our acid bowl cleaner for cleaning our toilets, as well as our glass cleaner. It's important to note that all of our disinfectants that we use in our school district are EPA approved. Another important piece of equipment on all of our carts is our PPE. All of our cleaners wear a mask while cleaning, as well as having access to disposable gloves. We ask that our cleaners change their gloves with every room that they clean to avoid cross-contamination. We have invited some of our staff members to demonstrate for you some of our new daily normal cleaning routines and our best practices.
Hi, I'm June. I'm going to demonstrate on how to properly clean a classroom. First, we'll start with the trash. Next, we're going to move on to cleaning desks. Spray the whole desk down. Seats, everything. Wipe it all off. Do your sides. In addition to desks, we'd like to get all the tables that are in the classroom. We also would like to do the teacher's desk. Now that we've cleaned all our surfaces, we have to make sure that we do all our touch points. Also do your door frames. Next, we're going to go on to the door handles in the surrounding areas. And then the back. Finally, you do your vacuuming. Some classrooms have sinks and pencil sharpeners that we clean every day. I'm on to the next classroom.
Hi, it's Destiny again, and I'm gonna go through the process of cleaning the restroom. First, I'm gonna clean the sink area with our hospital-grade restroom cleaner. Now, to avoid cross-contamination, I'm going to use paper towel to wipe the area. And we don't want to forget our soap dispensers, our napkin dispensers, and any other touch points. Now that we've disinfected all the touch points, we're going to move on to the mirrors. Mirror, mirror on the wall. And now we're cleaning the stall area. Now that I've completed all the stalls, I have a fresh paper towels and I'm going to do all the touch points. do in the restroom is clean the floors.
Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm going to demonstrate how we clean our offices. First thing we do is empty our trash. The next thing I want to do is do all the flat surfaces. Next, we're going to clean the student waiting area. Next, we're going to do the touch points. As you get the light switches, door frames, and make sure you get behind the handles. That's very important. And in this area, outside and down. And also, to make sure your hand sanitizer is also wiped down. After all my general cleaning, I want to clean up the glass. And we don't want to forget our sneeze guards. And last, we're going to vacuum.
We are now in a common space. In addition to vacuuming trash, we are going to clean all the touch points. Using my 32 cleaner, I'm going to start clean all the touch points. Now we are going to clean tables and chairs. We want to make sure to clean all the touch points, like the switches. And the handles door.
Hello, today I'm going to show you how to properly disinfect a classroom with an electrostatic sprayer.
Perfect.
So now that the classroom has been properly cleaned, we are going to use a EPA registered disinfectant in our electrostatic sprayer and clean all the touch points. As I enter the classroom, what I want to do is start with the door touch points. Next, what I want to do is I want to spray all the student desks. I want to make sure I get the tabletop, the back of the chairs, the seats, the legs, every touch point on this desk. As I move on to the next desk, this is an electrostatic sprayer, so this will wrap everything around, even on the underneath. And as always, we want to make sure we touch the teachers' desks as well. We spray their desks and chairs well. In addition to disinfecting the classrooms, we are also going to be disinfecting every touch point in every building in the school district.